Only 1% of people get all 40 of these general knowledge questions right. How high can your score go? Test yourself now. Question 1. What is the common name for the home of a bee colony? Question 2. What keyboard shortcut is commonly used to paste copied text on a Windows PC? Question 3. Which gas is commonly used to fill party balloons so they float? Question 4. What is the yellow center of an egg called? Question 5. A dragonfly belongs to which major animal group? Question 6. Stonehenge is located in which part of the United Kingdom? Question 7. What is the hottest part of a typical blue flame? Question 8. What sugar is the brain's primary fuel under normal conditions? Question 9. What is the medical term for an intense fear of confined spaces? Question 10. What type of animal eats only plants? Question 11. What device converts sunlight directly into electricity? Question 12. In which sport does a turkey mean 3 strikes in a row? Question 13. A fortnight contains how many days? Question 14. What do the letters NBA stand for? Question 15. What is the smallest prime number? Question 16. How many carved presidential faces are on Mount Rushmore? Question 17. What is the natural color of an emerald? Question 18. Which animal is famous for having black and white stripes? Question 19. What is the deepest known ocean trench called? Question 20. What is the calm center of a hurricane called? Question 21. What is the largest bone in the human body? Question 22. What are dried grapes commonly called? Question 23. Which material is most commonly used as the main ingredient in ordinary glass? Question 24. In K-pop, what does the letter K stand for? Question 25. How many cards does each player usually receive at the start of a standard Uno game? Question 26. What is a group of wolves called? Question 27. Creepers and the Ender Dragon are creatures from which game? Question 28. Which ocean is the smallest by surface area? Question 29. In basketball, how many points is a successful free throw worth? Question 30. A hole-in-one is an achievement in which sport? Question 31. Which instrument is used by doctors to listen to the heart and lungs? Question 32. What is a female donkey called? Question 33. A heptagon has how many sides? Question 34. Red velvet and black forest are varieties of which dessert? Question 35. What do you call words that sound the same but have different meanings? Question 36. In folklore, what is a hex usually considered to be? Question 37. Which toy dinosaur appears in the Toy Story films? Question 38. What is the name of Shrek's wife? Question 39. What is the name of Superman's home planet? Final question 40. Which part of a flower receives pollen during pollination?